Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face with a facial wash, then follow with toner. IRF reduces fine lines. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Gently apply eye serum around the eyes. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from under the eye to the temple with the handle. Lift the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow towards the forehead with the handle. Cold and hot, tightens enlarged pores. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, cold. Gently apply serum to the face. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Face RF lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Gently apply serum to the face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Lipolaser contours and sculpts the face. Settings. Energy level, 3. Duration, 20 minutes. Mode, M1. Secure the small laser pads on the chin with the strap. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Apply the facial and eye masks. BIO, stimulate tissue regeneration. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. BIO energy level, 3. LED mode, 3. LED color, red. BIO mode, M1. Use a stamping technique to treat the entire face. Remove the masks and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.